Hello, welcome to third quarter of this course. So if this is your first time or if you are returning, this is an overview of how this course works. So first off, at the beginning of every week, I will post an announcement with the assignments due that week, as well as any important announcements. It's important you check this because there are opportunities to come into class, and it is highly recommended you come into class. However, I understand with COVID and some of you are online only, so there are online options. However, I definitely recommend you come into class. This is your syllabus with all the due dates. So I am currently in the process of fixing the link. So if you click here, it will take you directly to the link of the module, for example. Like I'll click here and then I wait for it. Right now the link is wrong, so it's taking me to quarter 2, but I am going to go fix it right after this video, and it will take you to quarter 3, course overview. So that's the first thing you need to know. Also, after this video, I'm going to go link all the mastery checks, so it will take you directly to the mastery check. So a couple other important things also, if you click on the announcements, obviously this was an announcement for second quarter, but like I will link the assignments due. So like I clicked here and it took me directly to the mastery check for this ACT test. Also, please notice that there are in-class options. So you will be coming into class 3 times, twice for the ACT prep stuff and then Write Club. The ACT prep stuff is designed to prepare you for the ACT, so hopefully you will find it helpful. Okay, so now here's some very important things you need to know. Notice these due dates. Notice them. 1 week after the due date, the assignment will close. If you have not turned in your assignment by that day, you can't turn it in. It's done. You're done. Now, if you need more time, you need to email me before these due dates and let me know you need more time. For example, I honestly don't care what's going on in your life. I don't know. Ms. Hermanson, I procrastinated. Okay, just shoot me an email. Or better yet, turn in a blank copy of the assignment. Turn something in by the due date. Once you've done that, you have the entire quarter to redo it. So really do that. Now, what I do not have a lot of patience for is for people who ignore my class until the very last week of the quarter. No, that will not help you. Now, I mean, I guess you could turn in blank assignments all quarter and then do them all the last week of the quarter. I guess that would work. But basically what I'm saying is you got to turn in something by the due date. If you don't, you're done. I don't do pity parties. You have the entire quarter to redo an assignment. So you can always find out how to redo the assignment or like why you got a 0 on an assignment by looking over here on the right hand side. You can also go to grades. You can also go to the assignment itself. You can also go to Skyward. I will always leave detailed comments on your assignments so you can find out what you did wrong. Also, when I grade, I either do 0 or 100. You either did it well or you didn't. I don't do 75%. So if it's 75% done, you can expect to get a 0. Okay, so here's how the class works. It's set up in modules. Like, let's take this one. Let's take this one. So you'll have a course overview right here, and then you have learning activities that teach you how to do the mastery check. And then you have the mastery check. I only grade the mastery check. So the idea is you do the learning activities. So if you fail the mastery check because you didn't do the learning activities, it's on you. I don't grade the learning activities though. Those are not graded. They are designed to help you do the mastery check. Okay. Yeah, please email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and enjoy taking the quiz.